Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited that you are here this morning, this afternoon, this evening, whenever you decided to hop on in. Why? Because we have some puppers to explore. Okay, maybe they're not puppers or puppies, but this is the alpha pair. Do you know who the alpha pair is? Oh, look at this! How adorable! Look at the little noses. And the butterfly and the flowers. We're going to open this baby up and we're going to see what Diamond Art Club has in store for us with this square painting. Let's flip the camera around and have some fun. All right, we have turned the camera around and look at these puppers. Is this not what you want to bring into your home? And the stunning box. Oh my goodness. I mean, I always, when I'm finished with one of these Diamond Art Clubs, I'm like, oh, do I want to keep this or not? Which is why I'm so glad that they include so many choices. Like if you junk journal, or if you want to cut this out and put it on your kit up package, whatever you want, but you also get stickers inside too. So we're going to explore that as well. Just like I said in the opening, this is a square. You can tell by the blue square on the front as well as the word square. And we're going to open this lovely box on the bottom. As you can see, it has the image as well. So if you are storing it horizontally or vertically, it's right there. I love that they have a little thumb to pull the box out. That's just showing classic think of it all for all of us. So I'm going to take this beautiful canvas out of here, and up here in the tippy top, we're going to slide down the box and find our toolkit. If you are not new to Diamond Art Club, you know everything that's in here, and you're probably fast forwarding through this. But if you are new, please note that you get these fabulous baggies. You get a tray with a lid and a stopper, and inside you get your clear putty wax, your pink heart wax, and your 7 placer. These are stackable, so the more you buy, the more you can stack. I love putting the stickers on the end, and then you can stack them up or whatever floats your boat at the end of the night. And then you have your pre-filled diamond pen. Whoops, that's how you take it off. But you take this cap off, and then here's your clear wax with the single placer. And as you turn it, the wax pops out. Here's a 3 placer on this end, but you can take this off and you can put whatever placer you want on the end. I also have some fun stoppers. Like if you want, you could, drill till your heart's content with love. So you can just have so much fun with different accessories. Okay, we're going to open this beautiful card that says thank you for your purchase, and inside the alpha pair trading card is right here. And then based on the color of the card, this one is bronze. It says it on the back. You can get different points and different things. Go check out the site. And then you've got your sticker sheet. So it's got a diamond sticker, the alpha pair sticker, and then inside this has 80 colors. And out of the 80 colors, you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4 AB and 2 dust drills. That's 6 specials in this beautiful painting. And if you want, you can see all those fun symbols. I found a symbol that was a walking man. It made me laugh so much. Okay, so let's open this kit and see what we got inside. We're going to be so excited to see the puppers, right? If you love puppers, you're going to love this. Okay, it's got the soft patent backing that feels like velvet. It does have the serging that diamond paintings are known for, so that if your canvas is naughty, it's there. It also has I'm going to turn this around. This is the bottom right, but because it has so many symbols, it goes almost all the way up to the top. We're going to unroll this and see what we get. Okay, look at these flowers already. Oh my gosh, already I am in love with the detail and the rendering of the flowers. Now you can see here as we open it up, there are some gray dotted lines. What are these? This is to show you where your clear cover is perforated so that you can do 4x4 squares, or if you want a larger one, an 8x8, however you want to do your paintings. Look at that hair. Oh my gosh, the hand rendering artistry just does the justice of the art, right? So you've got this artist who puts their heart and soul into it, and then they want it to be a diamond painting, and the hair looks like you can actually pet it. There's that monarch butterfly. Oh, the puppers are saying hi. Let's go be friends. Let's go be friends. Let's go be friends. Okay, so this, we're unrolling. Look at the detail with the different butterflies, the small flowers. You've got the monarch butterfly up here. Here's your key again. And just a reminder, this is an 86.9 by 65 centimeter. You've got down here the pasting area. This mostly is so if you do get a partial, you know what area does not have drills on it. But for full drills, it's going to be the whole picture thumbnail. And then this is by Iris Sage, and it's a Diamond Art Club. And it's called the Alpha Pair. So that's at the bottom. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous, so gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this, and it is self-flattening. However, you can roll it the opposite direction because it is poured glue. So if you don't want to wait the 5 to 10 minutes for it to flatten, you can do that. Okay, crinkle, 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 quick. On here, it's going to show you that it's the Alpha Pair. So if you do store these separately, you can find them again. And we're going to open these colors. Quick, 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 quick. Crinkle, crinkle, Christmas time. And like I said, 80 freaking colors, right? Okay, so 2 of the 744s. And we're going to go through and we're going to see where the specials are. But these are stunning. I'm going to bring it up close. These are square, but you can look in there and see that there's no trash. There's no little taggies on the end, right? It's only one thing of 310. We've got all these beautiful colors. Because it is a larger kit, it's going to have some more of the same colors. Here's some 823s. Look at that bold navy. So beautiful. Here's all your greens. More greens, more greens. Okay, and we're going down another train. Choo-choo train. My 3-year-old loves choo-choos. So we're going to train it on down. See if we can find the caboose. Right here, such beautiful colors. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. All that 581, just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, here's our first special. This is, whoops, wrong way. Fairy dust. You can see there's a little bit of mica powder in there. It can give a silver feel. You can see the light hits it differently than over here on the purple. So it just gives a shimmer. It gives this beautiful shimmer color. All right, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. Oh, there's our AB. So the AB is more than just a shimmer. It is a sequence look and a sparkle. So we've got a shimmer, shimmer, and we've got a sparkle, sparkle. Okay, then we got a pink AB right there. We keep going. Oh, and then we've got the white AB. I'm sure that's all in the monarchs, butterflies. I'm going to keep going. I love that they didn't hold back on the colors, but it also doesn't seem very like obtrusive. Like it's not overkill. All right, and here's our last train. Whoops, and I dropped it. Here we go. All right, here's our other AB, that beautiful green. So fun, so fun. Okay. So what I like to do is then go through and kind of show an example of where the specials are. So like I said, the white AB in the monarch right here, sprinkled in some of the butterflies and the daisy, and then the front of the chest here. And a lot of this is going to be on the other side too. So it's right here as well. And then let me find our little cheat sheet here, because this thing is really large, which is fantastic, but I want to be able to show you. Okay, so then we had that AB that was the 3819. That is this yellow-green color right here. And that is the arrows. And so that looks like it's kind of scattered. It's this color right here, scattered throughout the leaves to give, like, when the light hits, that little sparkle. Because if you can tell, it is somewhat of a sun. I think it's a sunset. It could be a sunrise, but a sunset feel. So you're going to want to have that sparkle hit from the sun. And then you've got some orange ABs. Those are here in the flowers, like right here. So those are just kind of sprinkled in to pop out for us. And then you have the pink. And like I said, the pink is in the flowers, most likely, and they are. So they're here and they're down here in the flowers. Again, so when the light hits, it's not a complete pow, but it gives you that sparkle color. And then we have G, which is a fairy dust, and looks like a blue 518, a blue fairy dust. And that is, let me find it here. Oh, you probably saw it and then I missed it. So that's 518. And then we have the orange fairy dust. Okay. So the orange fairy dust looks like it's up here in some of these areas. Again, I think so when the light hits it, you've got a little bit of shimmer in the fur. And then G is here in some of the blue that you see. And again, this is going to be mimicked on the other side as well. It's almost a mirror of each other. Absolutely gorgeous. I know you're like, well, I'm just looking at all the drills. I'm not looking at the image. Jennifer, what is up with you and your videography? I know. I need a producer. So I hope you absolutely love this. Go check it out if you love puppers. And thank you so much for clicking on this thumbnail. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.